Hi friend, I am Shakera from Shakerastouch. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you how to make this beautiful hat. So let's get started. I have already made parts of the hat here. The stitches are double crocheted. I am using here different colors of yarn. a beautiful hat is made. I have attached a flower joint here. The hat looks great on it. Friends, I hope you like today's video. If you like it, then why delay? Like, comment and share the video. And I am telling you, new friends, if you like it, then subscribe to the channel and stay with it all the time. And for this, all you have to do is subscribe and click the all button. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. You will see it. So friends, thank you so much for being by my side for so long. Today I am saying goodbye. Everyone will be healthy. Allah Hafiz.